Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's How to King here, and in today's video we're going to talk about something we get asked all the time. How do you become famous on YouTube? Maybe you've been dreaming of hitting that 1 million subscriber mark, or you're just starting out and want to know how to grow your channel fast. Well, you're in the right place. I've helped a ton of creators, big and small, find their audience and blow up on YouTube. I'm going to share with you some real actionable steps to help you build your audience, grow your channel, and yes, become famous on YouTube. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to YouTube stardom, stick around because this video is for you. Alright, step one on the road to YouTube fame is to define your niche. If you want to become famous on YouTube, you need to have a clear focus. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours? What gets you fired up and excited to share with the world? See, people can smell passion a mile away. It comes through in your videos, in your voice, in your energy. When you're genuinely excited about what you're creating, your audience will feel that energy too. It's contagious. Whether it's gaming, beauty, tech reviews, DIY projects, music, cooking, motivational content, or anything in between, finding your niche is key. Think of it like this. Your niche is your home base. It's where your tribe hangs out. Don't be afraid to get specific here. Instead of just gaming, maybe you focus on retro RPGs. Instead of just beauty, maybe you specialize in special effects makeup. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to attract a dedicated audience that loves what you do. So take some time to really think about your passions, your interests, and your skills. What unique perspective can you bring to YouTube? Once you've found your niche, you're well on your way to YouTube stardom. Okay, so you've found your niche, you're fired up, and you're ready to start creating. Awesome. Now let's talk about step 2, creating high-quality content. Look, if you want to stand out in the crowded world of YouTube, your content has to be top-notch. Now, before you panic, high quality doesn't necessarily mean you need the most expensive camera gear or Hollywood-level editing skills right away. What it does mean is putting in the effort to make your videos the best they can be with what you have. Think about it. Would you rather watch a blurry, poorly lit video with bad audio, or a video that's clear, well lit, and easy to hear? Exactly. Your viewers want to enjoy your content, and that means making it easy on the eyes and ears. Invest in good lighting. Natural light is your best friend, so try filming near a window. If that's not an option, get yourself some affordable lighting equipment. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Audio is key. People are more forgiving of less than perfect visuals if the audio is clear. Invest in a decent microphone, even if it's just a lapel mic to start. And make sure you're filming in a quiet environment to minimize background noise. Most importantly, focus on your content. What are you trying to say? What value are you providing to your viewers? Make sure your videos are informative, entertaining, or both. Give people a reason to hit that subscribe button and come back for more. Remember, content is king on YouTube. By focusing on creating high-quality, engaging videos, you'll keep your audience coming back for more and attract new viewers who are hungry for what you have to offer. Alright, moving on to step 3, and this one is huge. Consistency is key. I cannot stress this enough. If you want to become famous on YouTube, you can't just upload once every few months when the mood strikes you. You have to show up consistently for your audience. Think of it like this. Imagine your favorite TV show only aired a new episode every few months. Would you stick around? Probably not. You'd probably find a new show that keeps you entertained on a regular basis. The same goes for YouTube. Your viewers need a reason to subscribe and keep coming back. They want to know that they can count on you for fresh, engaging content on a regular schedule. Now, I'm not saying you need to upload a new video every single day. That's a recipe for burnout, and we don't want that. Start with a schedule that you can realistically maintain. Maybe it's once a week, maybe it's twice a week. The key is to pick a schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Your audience will appreciate the consistency and learn to anticipate your uploads. Alright, let's move on to step 4. And this one's all about building relationships. Engage with your audience. Don't just post a video and forget about it. YouTube is a community. And the more you connect with your viewers, the more likely they'll become loyal fans. Think about your favorite YouTubers. Chances are they're not just creating amazing content, they're also interacting with their viewers, responding to comments, and making their audience feel heard. Respond to comments. Take the time to read and respond to comments on your videos, even if it's just a quick thank you or a heart emoji. It shows your viewers that you're listening and that you care about what they have to say. Ask questions in your videos. Encourage viewers to leave a comment by asking a question related to the video's topic. This is a great way to spark conversation and get people talking in the comment section. Run polls and contests. People love to participate, so get them involved. Run polls on your community tab, host giveaways, or even create contests related to your content. It's a fun way to boost engagement and show your appreciation for your viewers. Remember, YouTube is all about building relationships. By actively engaging with your audience, you're showing them that you're not just a faceless creator. You're a real person who values their support and wants to create a sense of community around your channel. Okay, now let's get a little strategic and talk about step 5. Use SEO and optimize your videos. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's all about helping your videos get discovered. You see, YouTube is not just a video platform, it's the second largest search engine in the world. And just like you optimize your website for Google, you need to optimize your videos for YouTube search. Think about it. When someone types in a search query on YouTube, you want your video to show up at the top of the results page, right? That's where SEO comes in. Keywords are key. Keywords are the words or phrases that people type into the search bar when they're looking for something specific. Do some research and find out what keywords people are using to find videos in your niche. Optimize your titles. Your video title is the first thing people see, so make it count. Use relevant keywords in your title, but keep it natural and engaging. Don't stuff keywords into your title just for the sake of it. Write compelling descriptions. Your video description is your chance to tell YouTube and viewers what your video is all about. Use keywords naturally throughout your description and make sure to include any relevant links, like to your social media or website. Tag your it. Tags are like keywords for your videos. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that accurately describe your content. This helps YouTube categorize your videos and recommend them to the right viewers. All right, ready to take your YouTube journey to the next level? Let's talk about step 6. Collaborate with other creators. Collaboration is one of the most powerful ways to grow your channel and reach a wider audience. Think about it. When you collaborate with another YouTuber, you get exposed to their entire audience, and they get exposed to yours. It's a win-win situation. Find creators in your niche. Look for YouTubers who create content similar to yours and reach out to them about a potential collaboration. You could create a video together, do a channel swap, or even just give each other shout-outs. Don't be afraid to reach out. The worst that can happen is they say no, but you never know, they might be just as excited about a collaboration as you are. Be professional, be enthusiastic, and clearly outline your ideas. Think outside the box. Collaborations don't have to be limited to YouTubers in your exact niche. Think about creators who have a similar target audience, even if their content is different. For example, a gaming channel could collaborate with a tech review channel. All right, we've arrived at the final step on our journey to YouTube fame. Stay authentic and keep evolving. This one's all about staying true to yourself while also being open to growth and change. Authenticity is crucial on YouTube. Viewers can spot a fake a mile away. People connect with realness, with vulnerability, with someone who's not afraid to be themselves, quirks and all. Don't try to be someone you're not. Don't try to copy other YouTubers or follow trends that don't feel genuine to you. Embrace your unique personality, your sense of humor, your perspective. That's what will make you stand out from the crowd. Share your story. People connect with stories. Share your journey, your struggles, your triumphs. Let people see the real you, the person behind the videos. It'll make you more relatable and build a stronger bond with your audience. Be open to feedback. Listen to your viewers. Pay attention to the comments, the messages, the feedback you receive. What are people saying? What do they like? What do they want to see more of? Use that feedback to improve your content and grow as a creator. Don't be afraid to experiment. YouTube is constantly changing. New trends emerge, algorithms shift, and audience preferences evolve. Don't be afraid to try new things, experiment with different video formats, and push your creative boundaries. So there you have it, 7 steps to becoming famous on YouTube. Define your niche, create high-quality content, stay consistent, engage with your audience, optimize your videos, collaborate, and stay true to yourself. It won't happen overnight, but if you stay focused and keep putting in the work, success will follow. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's your YouTube channel about? I'd love to hear about it and maybe even feature your channel in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating, keep hustling, and remember, your YouTube dreams are just around the corner.